So basically, when I ask a question as a user of Copilot, as part of a single organization or single company, when I ask a Copilot a question, something like summarize to me emails that I have received during the last 12 hours in bullet points, specifying the sender, the topic, and whether I have any assigned tasks associated with those emails. So the model is generating the response, and what's interesting here, and as opposed to the generation response process of ChatGPT, the Copilot is actually providing the response in light of all the interactions and the information and the data which has collected and has access to through the other users. So basically, all the other users which are using the same Microsoft Outlook email for that specific organization, or also the different kind of projects and data which is related to the different teams which are working on the different silos of the company's projects and tasks. So we see here that the Copilot has summarized the emails for me, including the information about those emails.